It's about to go down. What's up, party people? It's Elizabeth with the Parker Fam Network. Today we're going to do an IPSY. I feel like I can never pronounce anything that I review on here. I am going to do an IPSY unboxing for the month of July. If you don't know what IPSY is, it's a makeup subscription where you can select between 3 tiers. You can select the small package, which is what I do. It's $12 a month. You get 5 sample makeup products. And then of course, the other 2 tiers are bigger and they cost a little bit more. But the reason why I didn't do one for last month was because I don't think I was really that happy with what I got last time. So let me show you real quick what I got. I got the Azulene Soothing Cream. So this is it. I have a Pores Be Gone matte primer, and then I got a mask. So the reason why I haven't tried these 3 things is because, I mean, let's just be real. I have been incredibly lazy with my skincare, which is horrible for me to say. I also got a waterproof microliner, so I'm actually gonna try this today. It's from Sugar. It's vegan, not tested on animals. If you haven't seen my video on me going through my makeup bag, go check it out. If you have seen it, you know that I've thrown out everything that I have as far as makeup goes because they were all years and years old. I tried the Wonder Wand from, I don't even want to try to pronounce. It was very disappointing. It's probably the worst mascara that I've ever tried, and I've tried, let's be real, I've only tried Maybelline and CoverGirl, but I do not recommend this product. And then I also got a makeup brush. So I really like these subscriptions because as a noob, I don't really know what I'm doing as far as picking the best brands or even products. This helps me get exposed to a lot of different products without me even have to really think about it. One thing I do like about IPSY is that they allow you to customize exactly what you want. So if you don't really want that many mascaras, or if you really want to try out a lot of brushes, you get to have those choices as well as different brands. Now, of course, when I was going through it, I didn't know about like 90% of the brands, but anyways, it's July. Oh, I'm so excited. Dun, 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 dun. I think everybody gets the same bag, so this is what the bag looks like. I think it's really cute. I gave my mom the last one. And look, a little airplane on the zipper here. Okay, so they send you a little card that says, this one, take a break. Airplane mode your phone, put up a mental do not disturb. It's time to re-energize. Whether it's a living room, dance party, or a bold lipstick, take a break from the ordinary. Let loose and go with the flow. Where will it take you? Hashtag IPSY take a break. And they give you tips on your ultimate beauty staycation. So the first thing is a mask, a natural shea butter mask sheet. So I'm actually going to try this later after I take a shower after my run. What else do I have? Hydrating lip oil, watermelon burst. Oh, it's from the same brand as this mascara. So we'll see how it goes. Do they have directions? I feel like since it's an oil, you should do something else, but I'm trying to peel. Okay, so there are no directions. Okay, you know what? We're gonna try this right now. My lips have been really dry for the past few weeks. All I've been doing is licking my lips, which is probably super horrible. I should put like petroleum jelly on or something. It smells like watermelon Jolly Rancher.
Okay. I don't know how I'm supposed to put on it or whatever.
I got big old lips, so I got a lot of surface area here. This is what I do when I smell my lips. Because my lips are huge, y'all. I like it so far. As soon as I put its mascara on, I knew immediately that it was crap. At least we have that going for us. When they're about to send out your monthly stuff, they allow you to look at the products and you get to add stuff, take stuff away, whatever. So as soon as I get that email, I look it over, but I don't check back on it again until it arrives. So it's like a little mini surprise that I pay for. I got another eyeliner, so I really need to get rid of the eyeliners the next time. So this is Jules Smith Beauty. This is Wise Guy and Gold Mine eyeshadow, which is cool because I have an eyeshadow brush. So maybe it's a blending brush, so I don't really know. You know what? It's not like anyone's judging me. Well, except y'all. Oh, y'all. Yo, look at this. Ooh. Y'all. Ooh. I had to take it out immediately because it's so fresh and so clean. I just got my nails done too, so I'm just like, oh, look at the matching. Oh, I'm so excited. I don't know why. Okay, so what is this? It's a brush for what? It says Miss Glam. Slmissglam. I don't know what that means, but it's an eyeshadow. So we're gonna use it, y'all. It's about to go down. This is awesome. Oh, and I got an avocado sheet. Avocado. So I got 2 masks, a brush, eyeliner, lip balm or lip oil. I don't know. And I got eyeshadow. So I really like this bag compared to my June one. We're gonna try it out, y'all. We're gonna try it out. Okay. I don't have eye primer or concealer or whatever, so we're just gonna do this blah blah blah. All right, so this is Luna Liner. This one is vegan, GMO free, gluten free, no mineral oil, no parabens, no gluten, hyperallergenic, with kale and ginkgo. I don't know what I should do first. Ooh, it's like a felt pen. So I'm a teacher and I really like, is it Papermate? Felt pens. I'm like obsessed with those things. I just like to write stuff just to write stuff. This is super ironic. So if you saw what's in my makeup bag video, you'll know that I buy, or that I used to buy, the same eyeshadows over and over. It's called Country Woods and it's the exact same like color scheme. Any hoosers. So I'm gonna use my fancy like I just feel so fancy wearing this. I feel like I should go out buying groceries. Like, oh, let me go get that milk over there. Oh, I don't know how to effectively put on eye makeup. So I'm just gonna do what I used to do. I'm gonna put the dark on my crease and then the light on my lid. Well, it's the whole thing's my lid, but up here. So we'll try it. So let's see if there's a lot of pigment. Okay, so that was 1 splotch. Ooh. Okay, I really like this. I actually like this better than the Country Wood. I keep wanting to say Country Road. I sing that song to my son whenever he wakes up in the middle of the night and he knows to go back to sleep. I really like this. Wow. See, my hooded eyes, you could barely like tell. That's why I don't really wear makeup that much, is because you can't even really tell. And it makes my eyes look a little bit smaller when I wear darker colors. If Joanna Gaines can do it, girl. That was one side. I'm really curious to see what this lighter shade does on my skin tone. So, ooh. Oh, wow. Wow, I feel fancy. Y'all, I got my fancy pants on. Oh my goodness, this is really good. This is way better than CoverGirl. Look at my beauty. Yeah, so notice the difference. I didn't have to like double dip. And if I'm not putting any of this on right, link it down below and tell me how to do it. I am going to try the eyeliner. Water resistant eyeliner. So if I cry my eyes out because of how ugly I look, this better stay on. Oh wow, I just barely touched and I can see it. Ooh, this is good. It's like, oh okay, of course I blink. Should I do a wing? You know what, bump it. YOLO. All right, so I'm gonna finish putting on my other side and then we'll get right back. Okay, my little butterflies. Okay, I usually don't have dark makeup up here, but I really wanted to see the pigment and how well it went on because, I mean, as you know, I have Asian hooded eyes. It's hard for me to look at pigments when I open my eyes and you can't even see like half my eyelid. I said all that to say that I really like this brush, this brand of eyeshadow. This eyeliner is the bomb. I'm liking this. I'm digging this. It's only been like 20 seconds, but I'm digging it so far. The real test is going to be how long all of this lasts. So I have a few things to do today, and of course, you know, being a mom is no easy job. So I'm going to be running around with a 1-year-old, and I'm going to be in and out of the house, and I'm going to check back at the end of the day, and we will really see how well all of this stuff did. Check back with me. I don't know why I sang that. That was really lame. Okay, so I'm about to go for my run and the makeup is doing really well. Eyeliner, I really like. You know, when you close your eye or when you open your eyes, the liner gets like everywhere. It hasn't done that so far. I accidentally rubbed my eyes because I forgot I was wearing makeup. It's still looking pretty good. The only thing that isn't on my face anymore is the lip oil, which I haven't encountered a lip balm or lip whatever that stays on your lips for 24 hours. The time that it was on my lips, it was very hydrating and it didn't dry my lips out. Sometimes when I wear chapstick, it dries it out and then like tightens it and it's super uncomfortable. And then when you smile, it cracks and then, you know, crap happens. But that didn't happen this time. This is the before, me running. This is the after. I don't know if I look pretty or not. I mean, it did really well, so I'm very, very pleased. And this is without primer, concealer, or whatever it is people do these days to keep makeup on. Spritzer, or is that just for wine? Setting spray, there you go, setting spray, whatever. So this is just me putting eyeshadow on my bare skin. So boom, I'm about to take the makeup off, jump in the shower, and do my routine, and then I'm gonna try on this band, boy. Honey. Cool. So final review time. I really like the mask, very hydrating. I really like these products. These are amazing, way better than the June bag that I received. Between now and the next email that they send me, I'm going to try to redo the survey that they give you, which is a survey about the products that you want to receive. If you're looking to venture out into new products for makeup, give these subscriptions a try, whether it's IPSY or I think Box Charm. I don't know. There may be tons more. The one that I get is the cheapest. It's $12 a month. You get 5 products plus a bag. You get to add things to it if you would like. Comment down below on some of the subscriptions that you've tried, and are there any that you recommend? Are there any that are better than IPSY? I'm too broke to try anything else. That's what I'm gonna stick with for a few months and see how it goes, and then maybe I'll try something else. So leave comments down below on things that you want me to try. I'd give this month's unboxing a thumbs up, and I would definitely recommend. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye guys.